Testing, testing. Good morning. Wow, look at that bright sun. We are currently setting up the GoPros. The GoPros, the GoPros. GoPros, GoPros, GoPros.
These turn off.
Now we wait for the RSX. Testing, testing.
Testing, 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 testing! Ah!
It's very hot. It's better than rain. What's that? Whoa, going so fast. Okay, we will proceed to give you what you need when the RSX is here. Bye! He did see us! Uh oh, there's a car behind him. Yay! Okay, we made it to the second location. We are going in my bag while I take pictures. I hope you can see something at least.
See the songs we were gonna play for the one we went to?
I mean, if you just looked up the previous show.
Oh wait, are you just guessing?
And then we have to make a video life of a college student car guy.
All right, we gotta pack up. And per the usual, you know, I don't know if I got enough shots of the CRX.
That's the next CRX.
Man.
People that want to go there are like weird.
Look at me have to use the restroom, but there's like a lot of people over there, and I don't want to. I'm not trying to deal with that. So we're just gonna maintain our bladder.
Wow.
Then you could slow-mo it. You could slow-mo it. You could slow-mo it. All right, we're done getting shots of the super clean RSX.
You mean CRX?